You will learn how to quickly change the profile name, which is the same as giving name on 11 Labs. Maybe at a point you have a brand and you want it to match the name on the 11 Labs platform. Learn how to do that. The first step is to launch a web browser. Once the browser opens, visit 11labs.io. You can see the web link here, 11labs.io. I'll press the enter key of my computer keyboard. Once you're on this page, click on login and log in with your credentials. Once you sign in successfully, you'll be on an interface that looks like this. The next step is to take your cursor to your profile picture and click, alright, or profile initials. So click there. Once you click there, you will see some options. Select settings. On clicking on settings, you'll be taken to the settings page. You will see this option named giving name. In this case, mine is called Renew Mic, but it wasn't like this before, so I changed it to match my brand. Let's say I want to change this here. I will click on update giving name. On clicking on that, just insert a new name of your choice. So after you have finished changing the name, just click on update. And the new name will be saved immediately. If this helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology. So subscribe to learn more, hit the like button and leave a comment. See you some other time.